is the most exciting thing, because you have some stuff that'll be super, super exciting. So yeah, I'll share, you can share your screen right now and get rolling here.
All right, so you can keep sharing that thing while I check my mic. Hi, everyone. I'm super excited to share every feature. I know, just like you, I am also excited to share all the new updates and everything. And we'll get into your questions right away after I finish the step-by-step version. So I hope I'm audible, right, Paul? Everything looks good? Awesome, perfect. All right, so I'm going to just share my screen now. All right, so now let's look at how you can actually take your script or your story and create it into multiple consistent character storybook in just one click. You're gonna love this, right? And I'm most excited about this feature, honestly. So there are two ways you can do it. Right? I'll share the first way, and then later I'll show the second way. Right? First way is very simple. You go to design agents. You again, right? This is a multi-character storybook. We just pushed it with the V6 upgrade. As a beta feature, as I already explained. By the time this feature would come to you, it would be already 1.5 month already. But we changed our approach. We're directly giving you all the access instantly for absolutely free. It's almost ready, right? It's almost perfect, but there will be some keys and all that, some errors or some feedback, something that we can fix, right? So with that, we can make it perfect. But instead of you waiting for months to get this, with this our new approach, with this instant beta feature launch to everyone. Everyone loved it though, so we started doing it, and with this V6, it's now in your account for absolutely free. That allows you to basically convert your script, your story, with multiple consistent characters. You can go up to 2-3 characters, right? It's really, really good, right? So check this out. You click on multi-character storybook. Simple. You click on new story, and all you gotta do is just paste in your story. That's it. That's it. It will automatically think about your characters and storyline and everything. Choose your dimension, generate the story. That is it, guys. That is it. Yes, I know, like that sounds too good to be true, but finally we cracked that. And as I said, right, it's supposed to be a beta feature. It's supposed to get launched. For example, like it will take, as you can see, it will take some time. Give it some time, yeah. And then once you'll see all the images. Now let me just refresh my screen, right? As I was saying, right, it was supposed to be a beta feature because we finally cracked the way to get the characters in perfect, professional, really good quality and consistent throughout the page, right? So we said, okay, why not to give it to everybody as the beta tag, as the beta feature for absolutely free with this version 6 upgrade. You're gonna love this, right? And let me show you some of the past the creations, right? So it will take like a minute or two because there are a bunch of these images, but look at this. Look at this. The image qualities are now sharper. The style is now more better. And now, not just this, you get the ability to edit the images as well. So you click on the eye, you click on edit, and you can now actually edit this image by just some prompts, right? So what it will help you, if, right, as I said, right, it's a beta feature, right? If one or two images that are not that perfect, meaning the shoe color changes, or you want to make sure the shoe has that color, the jeans has that color, you can now fine tune that. And we also show you the page number as well, right? Let's see how our image is like. Look at this. Our images are coming sharper right now. Look at this. This is the image. This is the script that we just pushed. Look at the consistency of the character. And this is a perfect example, right? So let's say, some images you see glasses when the grandpa is outdoor, when the grandpa is indoor, there are no glasses, whatever it is. And you feel to like, yes, I want the glasses across the board. You can do that as well, right? It's like, look at this. It's just, you get full story, right? Look at that, Ethan and the patient birdhouse, Mr. Harris. Look at that, very very cool, right? And then now this is a perfect example, right? You can now edit these images, right? Like you say like, hey, I want to change the color of the Ethan shirt, or I want to change the, the title, or I want to change whatever it is. Look at this, guys, how cool that is. In just one script, multiple consistent character throughout the pages, right? It's just crazy, right? And now you can convert this into a flipbook. How? Well, you come to the personal designs tab. By default, you will be in the all tab. Yeah, what you need to do, you have to come to the specific tab to get all the button, right? So you come to multi-character storybook, you click on create flipbook. Now when you click on create flipbook, there is this tick box that appears here, right? So you click on that, you click on create flipbook. You can now convert it into any language you want. You can add read aloud narration if you want. You can choose the template. Let's go with the blank. Now the cover is already ready for you, so you can pick that, and then you can again add the back cover as well and generate the flipbook. That's how easy it is. Look at this, I created this storybook in like one click with converted my script. How cool that is, right? Check this out. Pretty powerful, right? Perfectly consistent character throughout all the pages, right? And let me show you the Sophie one, right? Look at this, Sophie and the old oak tree. Look at this, look at this, how cool that is. Now the image quality, right? Because we did like a lot of research, like, specifically from your feedback, from your request. I want this style, I want that style. The images and the text, look at those minute text for the storybook images, right? Everything will come perfectly. You see what I'm trying to say? That's the power. Look at that, our Ethan and the patient birdhouse is also ready. Let's read that out together, right? I mean, this was not possible without all your requests, without all your feedback. You said, okay, I want this, I want that, I want this, perfectly did all of this, right? Check this out. In a small town, okay, there's the thing. It's exactly gonna take your script, right? No additional, no editing to the script. It's just your script. Apparently it says, okay, so I think there are 16, 17 pages. Look at that. How cool, isn't it? Look at that. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, that is the power. You can now, download these images as well. Look at this, the honest woodcutter one, right? This, you're gonna love this, right? Check this out. Check this out. Yeah. How cool it is, right? Now you can actually bring your own stories to life with multiple consistent characters. Look at this Ant story. I was so excited. I was like so happy with the results that is coming. It just like, and I hope that, you're gonna love this feature, and I'm looking forward to see all your amazing creations. The image qualities are now sharper. It's more depth. It's perfectly styled, you will see the difference, but when you will actually create it, you yourself will see the difference. And I'm just super excited to see your amazing creations, because that is the power, right? Like, look at that. Look at that, right? And again, we can go on and on, but the idea is, under AI Design Agent, the beta feature that would take, again, as I said, it would take easily a month or two to kind of fine tune it, make it better, and all that, and only release it to a small, small group of people. We decided that, okay, because you guys love this approach, where an instant beta feature, that means without you having to wait to get the state of the art feature in Artistly, you're gonna get it instantly. You're gonna get it instantly without waiting for months or weeks or even multiple months. and then you can share your feedback in in comments, in our roadmap, in our Facebook groups with support, and we're gonna make it better from there, right? So it's always give you the perfect result. That's our idea, and you guys loved it. So yeah, that's the thing, right? So that also comes for absolutely free with the version 6 upgrade. So yeah, let's see. I'm so excited to see your amazing creations with this feature. So you can make sure you join the Meta group. We will link it in the description. And I will now let's go to the questions, and then we'll show you the next one. Perfect.